Hey y'all. So, man, today is Tuesday. No, today's Monday, November 11th, and I'm still not feeling well, so I called out of work today. I just feel it all in here and in here. Took a COVID test, no COVID. I don't know. I really don't know what it could be. I just know I'll be glad when I feel better. So currently, I'm gonna get ready to make me a theraflu packet. I don't know. I'm just like, after I tried the Alka-Seltzer yesterday, I felt really good. You know, of course, probably because I had a nap. But also, it is Cam's 13th birthday, so I'm gonna try my best to like just rest this morning. And then try and make him this cupcake idea that I found off of Pinterest. So we shall see. Ooh, this thing says you got like 10 to 15 minutes to drink it. And you should drink it while it's hot. I just don't know. I tried the Alka-Seltzer yesterday and that really helped. But, y'all know how I feel about these gross things. As well as going next door to Bath & Body Works to see what Christmas scents they have. So, if you're ready. Okay, this one isn't bad. I would honestly drink this. This tastes like some orange concoction. It just has a nasty aftertaste to it, but oh no, y'all. Okay, y'all. After drinking that theraflu, I honestly feel like a weight has been lifted off of me. I feel, you know, like I'm getting back to myself. So like I told you guys, today is Veterans Day. Veterans Day is Cam's birthday. So Cam was born 11/11/2011, and he was born, but my original due date was 11/22/2011, so it would have been really cute either way, because if you minus 11 from 22, it is 11 either way. Y'all, hope I just did the math right. Y'all had to come check on Google. 22 minus 11 is 11. Okay. So with that being said, I had got these items from the Dollar Tree Saturday that I'm just going to put up for Cam. We have the wall mural of the game. I have wall decorations that can just be hung. And then I also, well, no, it won't be hung from up there because I messed it up last time. And then I have the green plastic tablecloth, and then here's a centerpiece. And going through my stuff, I did get yellow cake mix box because I'm gonna make some cupcakes into a cake. And then I also got the whipped buttercream frosting. So what I plan on doing is just simply trying to create this for him. So what I really need to do is get started on making the cupcakes so that they can cool off, and then basically line them up like I need to, and then kind of go from there.
Like murder and booming, sending you birds. If I get my little Uzi, they thinking I'm crazy. I'm gonna see it and hate it. People I'm saying, get what I'm painting. The picture big, I call it little baby. If I'm on the board, then we play check. If you on my way, you gon' need the best. Act big, you might get stretched. All your gun talk, I ain't impressed. My 45 is real traffic. That's Dallas, Texas. My little partner called her body for a Maserati. He told him get about the car, hit him with the shotty. That 12th gauge gave him life in the 12th grade. I tried to write him, but we ain't on the same page. I caught him slipping. I just had to let him know. Ain't the end of time.
Alright, so mix is done. I might have to make one more box, but that's okay if I do. I have out my colors, red, green, blue, yellow, but I also have this gel black in order to make the gray and then to do the black. So I have these divided up. It's just 1 scoop of icing in here. That way it's just for that 1 cupcake. So I'm gonna do the red, the green, the blue, and the yellow.
Side by side we sway there in all the colors. Some love.
Alright, I got the first 2 sets of 12 going in the oven, and then the other 12 will have to go in once these come out in 19 minutes. Alright, icings are all mixed up. Alright, first batch is done. That's a total of 12. Now I just need to do the other 12. Alright, second batch is going in. Alright, so all of them are out. I don't exactly know if I can make a smaller version. Today we're gonna try. Alright, y'all, so like a dummy, I didn't realize how to make gray buttercream icing, or at least like just try to make the color. So I ended up going to Google, and this is what Google says. Y'all, when you type in how to make gray, it says to use gel food dye, and that gel food dye is more concentrated than liquid food dye, so you can start with a drop or 2 to adjust the shade. All right, so let's give it a try, because I do have the black gel, and this is for writing, but we'll just see what happens. All right, so it says to do like a drop or 2. All right, let's see what happens, y'all. All right, y'all, this is what happened after 1 or 2 drops. So let's go ahead and add a little more and see what happens. All right, so it's basically still the same. We're gonna add a lot more. Y'all, this is as close as I can get it. I've added in basically half of the gel writing black color, and it's not seeming to work.
I long for that feeling. Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling. Remember everything you said. Had to go on dreaming, dreaming. 'Cause baby, you are everywhere. I wish that you were here, 'cause I don't want nobody else. I'm not afraid to be alone, new beginnings. I'm not afraid to overcome every feeling that I have. So take me in your arms. Yeah, 'cause nothing can really hurt us unless we let it grow. Forget about the past. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you know it's true. Baby, we can make.
All right, y'all, so here it is. It's not really connected, and you really won't know what it is unless there's a picture next to it, but with the theme of Game On and Level Up, you should get it. Alright, so now that I've dirtied up 1,002 dishes, and of course that dishes from yesterday, they need to be washed, and I'm kind of feeling good enough to wash them. I'm gonna do that. The cupcake cake is gonna go into the microwave just to keep it nice and straight. Other than that, I'll catch you guys in a little. Okay, so part of Cameron's gift for his birthday, he wanted a new iPhone. So, I got him iPhone XR, and it's all set up and ready to go. So he has this case, and then he also has just like an all black one, that way to keep the phone protected. I'm gonna put these in, like put this in a case, put it in his room for when he gets here, and then just show him the cupcakes and stuff. And I'll probably just order Domino's, because with me being sick and all, I don't really want to like touch a bunch of food tonight to cook. And you know, yeah, I might be feeling good in the moment right now, but who knows what later, you know, will behold. And of course I need to take some Mucinex. Yeah, because now like I've fought the headache part, and I'm able like to get up off the couch, so I'm feeling a little bit better. Like I told my boss, hopefully I'll be able to come in tomorrow. I just needed today to rest, so I'm gonna get ready to lay it low on the couch after this and finish washing those dishes in a little bit and just watch some TV. You know what, honestly, I'm gonna heat me up some vegan chili, eat that. That way, like something hot is on my throat, and of course still lay down and, you know, try to drift off for a little bit. Sky decided to stay here with me today, which was great because I didn't feel like getting up to go and take her. Like the good thing is Cam can get on the bus either way, like from here, or he can also get on the bus from my job. And the good thing is he was able to walk up the hill and get on the bus with no problem. Alright, y'all, so I'm really curious. We bought these at Kroger the other day. These are California rolls. They're plant-based. It's 8 pieces with avocado and pickled cucumber. Yeah, so it's 3 different ways that we can do that. If we did room temperature thawing, it would need to thaw for 2.5 hours to 3 hours. Or we can do hot water tap, or we can do microwave. So I'm thinking that what will be really cool is to do the hot water, the hot tap water. So remove it from the box and then place it with the film packaging in the bowl of hot water, not boiling hot water, but just some hot water, and use like a plate to keep it on top and leave it submerged for 7 to 9 minutes, and then just to let it rest for 3 to 5. So let's see. So this is what it looks like. All right, hot tap water. I'm gonna put those in. I'm gonna use this little bowl to keep it down in the pan, kind of to make them submerge down under the water for 9 minutes. All right, so they came out great after 9 minutes, just letting them sit. Been home and I set it up, but yeah, I had the AC on way too long. Now I'm cold again. My body feels hot, but you know, my hands and like feet are like cold. So I'm gonna try to get up and move around. Excuse me, y'all. I done ordered Domino's for his birthday. So should be here in about 30 minutes. Everybody will eat, shower, and get themselves ready for tomorrow. I'm honestly about to say, you know what? I need tomorrow too. I was feeling good. I don't know. I'm just back in that nasty headspace. Throat hurts like no other. So, I don't know. Here. Well, you can't pick one yet, but I was showing you that I made them into a controller. Kinda. Alright, so our Domino's finally arrived. We have 2 of the 16 count Parmesan bites. We also have a hand tossed cheese pizza. That's the one where there's not really any crust. And then we also have the cheese, the 5 cheese and the bread, and then 2 cheese pizzas, regular style. So different variety of things that can be eaten tonight.